Posh color. Formula 1. 1 part Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 8S plus 1 part Qi Color Generator 10 volume plus add 1 capful of Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Blue additive. Formula 2. 1 part Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Clear plus 1 part Qi Color Generator 10 volume plus 1 capful Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 8V. Formula 3. 1 part Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Clear plus 1 part Qi Color Generator 10 volume plus 1 1/4 capful Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 8C plus 1/4 capsule Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color 8R. Formula 4. 1 part Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Clear plus 1 part Qi Color Generator 10 volume plus 2 capfuls Qi Ionic Shine Shades Liquid Color Violet additive. Step 1. The hair is a natural level 8. Color the root area with Formula 1 to cool the tone of the hair. Step 2. Section 4 triangles in the top layers. Step 3. Color triangle 1 in the front with Formula 2. Leave a small triangle out and color this with Formula 3. Step 4. Color triangle 2 on the crown with Formula 3. Leave a small triangle out and color this with Formula 2. Step 5. Color triangle 3 and 4 at the sides with Formula 4.